OpenAI offers salaries up to $925,000 for AI-focused jobs. Google, Microsoft, and Udemy have launched courses to master AI skills. Here are ones to learn if you want to stand out. The first is How to ChatGPT. Master the art of prompt engineering. By the end of this course, you can write detailed ChatGPT prompts through hands-on demos and real-world examples. Perfect for individual and work growth, you will become a ChatGPT guru. The second is AI for Beginners by Microsoft. It's a free 12-week, 24-lesson course about artificial intelligence. This is great if you want to start learning about AI but don't know where to start. The third is Generative AI Learning Path by Google. It has 9 free courses on generative AI. You even get a badge with this one, which you can add to your CV. The last one I suggest is AI for Everyone on Deep Learning. It shows that AI is not just for engineers. It's a non-technical course that will help you understand AI technologies and spot opportunities to apply AI to problems in your own organization. Most of these are free, so start learning today to stay ahead of the curve. If you found this useful, access the ultimate list of over 2,000 AI tools in my free weekly AI newsletter. Don't miss out.